Alright, let's check it out here. See how those spikes dig into this soft soil? Loosens it up a bit so that you can put some seed down or some weed and feed or just just loosens it up so that it will accept water a little bit better. This thing is full of water, and I believe it's 20 gallons, so almost 200 pounds of weight on this thing with water filled in it. Just attach it to the back of your tractor or your ATV or whatever you want to pull it with, and it will stab into the soil nicely. I think it works pretty well. Let's make a few laps around the yard and see how she does. Let's check it out. After a few laps around, all kinds of nice little stabs into the soil. I think if you do this fairly regularly, maybe once a quarter or something like that, it'll keep the surface softer so that it will accept watering and it won't just shed off, and it just keeps the top a little bit softer. We have we have a mixture of clay soil here in Atlanta, Georgia, so it gets really hard, especially in the summer. So I do this fairly often, and I've only reseeded this yard less than a year ago, so it's definitely not up to where I want it, but it's improving. So there you have it, the spike aerator that you fill with water. Tow it behind your tractor or your ATV or side by side or whatever you got, and it works really well. Check out our other videos. We're always posting stuff on how to do things around the house or work on your vehicles, testing of products, problems we're having, all kinds of stuff. So let's drive around some more.